Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are also going on well. This is this is part 17 video on the chapter of measures of central tendency, where I will be solving two conceptual problems based on the previous video part 16, where I discussed about how to find median of a grouped or continuous frequency distribution data. Also, I will in this problem before solving the problem, I will discuss about the formula. I would like to revise the formula. I looked up in the book and I found that I mis-explained one thing regarding the formula. I will address that first and then I will solve the two problems. So this video is part of the playlist CBSE Maths for class 9 following the textbook of author RD Sharma. If you find this video beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and if you want to further support me, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. So let's start part 17 video, where I will be solving two conceptual problems on how to find median of a grouped or continuous frequency distribution. Okay, so before solving the problems, so the formula for the median was median was equal to L plus n by 2, where n is the total number of observations minus capital F divided by small f, this whole multiplied by C. I have to revise what the C is. In the previous video, I said that C is the class width or size of every class. I assumed that the size, all the class intervals will be of equal size or width, but that may not be the case. In some distribution, in some group frequency distribution, the width or size of class may vary. So in that scenario, the C is actually the size or width of the median class, size or width of median class, and the other values remains the same. Capital F is the less than cumulative frequency value of the class just preceding the median class, and small f is the frequency of the median class, and L is the lower limit of the median class. The only thing is that capital C will be the size or width of the median class. It is not that it is the size or width of every class, assuming that all the class intervals will have equal or of equal size or width. No. Okay, so this is what I wanted to address regarding the formula before solving the problem. Okay, now, so the first problem is, it says that find the missing frequency y if median of the following distribution is 40. So we are given a grouped or continuous frequency distribution. Why continuous? Because you can, sorry, not yes, it is continuous. But you can see that the class intervals are not of equal size or width. 0 to 10 is of the class interval 0 to 10 is of width or size 10, whereas 10 to 30, the class interval or class 10 to 30, its size or width is 20. So we are having different class width or size, but it is continuous. The class intervals are continuous because the upper limit of any class interval is equal to the lower limit of the next class interval. So how do we find y? Where the median is given. Now the catch is that when you know the median, if you know the median, then you automatically know the median class. What will be the median class? You have to look the class intervals or the classes and identify the class or interval which contains the median value. In this problem, the median is given to be 40. So I know that 40 lies between 30 and 60. So this implies I can clearly say that the median class is 30 to 60. Okay, 30 to 60. So this implies once I know the median class, I will know the capital L, which is the lower limit of the median class. Now, to find the capital F and the small f, and also I know the capital C, it is the size or width of the median class, which is 60 minus 30, which is equal to 30. Now obviously I have to find I have to prepare the less than cumulative frequency column. So it will be 5, and then it will be 5 plus 15, 20, then 20 plus 30, 50, and then 50 plus y, 50 plus y, and then 50 plus y plus 2, which is 52 plus y. Remember that in this problem we are not given the value of the total number of observations. Still we can find the value of y. How? Okay, now remember that we are having only one unknown variable y, so I need one simple linear equation in y, then I can solve y. I don't know the value of capital N, that is the total number of observations, but I do know the value of median, I know the value of capital L, I know the value of C, and also I know the median class based on the value of median 40. So the median class is 30 to 60, so this is the median class. So obviously this will be small f. The frequency corresponding to the median class is the small f, and obviously I can say that capital F will be the value of the less than frequency corresponding to the class just preceding the median class. So this is capital F. So this is all the concept that need to be applied to solve the problem. The fundamental concept was, if you know the median, then you can easily identify the median class. Whichever class will contain the median value, that is the median class. And once you know the median class, you know the lower limit, you know that is capital L, you know the capital C, that is the width of the class or size of the class, and also you will know the small f. Maybe the small f will have some unknown variable and the capital F, and also maybe the capital F will have some variable. But whatever it be, applying the formula of median, you can easily solve for the variables. Okay, so I know now the median, we know, will be is equal to, from the formula, L plus n by 2 minus capital F divided by small f, this whole multiplied by C. Okay, so this implies I know the median is given to be 40, so 40 is equal to, I know capital L, which is 30. I don't know n. Okay, so I don't know n. So n by 2, but I know capital F, which is 20. I also know small f, which is 30, multiplied by also know capital C, which is 30. The idea is that you can see from this equation I can easily find out what the capital N is, that is the total number of observations. And once I know the total number of observations, I can find the value of small y, because the last value of the capital F, this is n. The value of capital F column, the last row, value of the last row of the capital F column, that is the less than cumulative frequency, gives the value of capital N, and then I can easily find y. Once I know capital N, which I can solve from this equation, I will be able to find y. Let's find first what is capital N. So this implies, so 30 cancels out. I have 40 minus 30 is equal to n by 2 minus 20. So this implies n by 2 minus 20 is equal to 10. So this implies n by 2 is equal to 30. This implies n is equal to 60. So the total number of observations, n is 60. So now I know that 52 plus y is equal to 60. So this implies y is equal to 8. Okay, I hope you got the idea how to solve this kind of problem from the fundamental concept that once we are given the median, then we can easily locate the median class, and from the median class we will get the value of capital L, we will get the value of capital C, and maybe we will also can identify the small f and capital F. Maybe the small f and capital F will have some variables, whatever it be, you will be able to solve for the unknown variables. And if the total number of observation is given, then obviously first you must equate the sum of the frequencies to the given total number of observations. Okay, let's see the next problem. So find the value of x and y if the median of the distribution containing 60 observations is 28.5. So we are given a grouped frequency continuous distribution. In this we can see the class intervals are of equal, all the class intervals are of equal size width, that is 10, and it is continuous. Okay, and we are having two unknown variables x and y in the frequency. Fine. And the median is given. Median is 20. Median is given to be 28.5, and we can clearly see that 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. So clearly we can say median class is 20 to 30. So this is the median class. So clearly this will be small f, 20. Now first I have to find the less than cumulative frequency column, that is capital F. It will be 5 and then 5 plus x and then 5 plus x plus 20, which is 25 plus x, and then 25 plus x plus 15, which is 40 plus x, and then 40 plus x plus y, and then 45 plus x plus y. So 45 plus x plus y is the value of capital N, that is the total number of observations. Okay, now once we know the median class is 20 to 30, we know capital L is 20, we know C is the width of the median class, which is 30 minus 20, which is 10. What else do we know? We also know small f, which is the frequency corresponding to the median class, which is 20. And what will be capital F? Capital F is the value of the less than frequency corresponding to the class which is just preceding the median class, which in this problem is 5 plus x. 5 plus x. So now I will apply the formula of the median. So we know median. Before that I will apply the concept that it is given that the total number of observation is 60. So I must have 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Since we are having two unknowns, we must have two linear equations in x and y. So this implies x plus y is equal to 15. This is one equation, linear equation in x and y. We must have another equation in x and y so that we can solve the value of x and y. Okay, now we know median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus capital F divided by small f, this whole multiplied by C. L is 20 plus n is 60 by 2 minus capital F is 5 plus x whole divided by small f is 20 multiplied by C is 10. Okay. So this implies median is given to be 28.5. 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus x divided by 10 will cancel 20 with 2, so 2. Okay, so this implies 30 minus 5 30 minus 5 plus 6 is 25 minus x by 2 is equal to 28.5 minus 20, which is 8.5. Doing cross multiplication, I have 25 minus x is equal to 8.5 multiplied by 2, which is 17. So this implies x is equal to 25 minus 17, which is 8. So the value of x is 8, and I know that x plus y is 15. So clearly y will be equal to 15 minus y, which is 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. So x, the value of x is 8 and the value of y is 7. So this was two conceptual problems that I wanted to solve and discuss so that you can solve this kind of problem. This is purely based on very conceptual by the from the fact that if you have two unknown or one unknown variables in the frequency, then first of all you should sum the sum of the frequencies of the class intervals should be equal to the total number of observations. From this concept you will get one relation between one equation on the unknown variables. The another thing is that the median will be given. Once median is given, you can identify the median class, and once median class is identified, you will know the capital L, you will know the capital C, also you will know small f and capital F, and then applying the formula, median formula, you will get another relation on the variables, and hopefully from all the equations you can solve for the unknown variables. So if this video was beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends. Once again, please support me by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. In the next video, I will discuss about how to find the mode of grouped data, or grouped or continuous or grouped frequency distribution table. So please stay tuned for that video. I am ending the video here. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.